Good morning, kids. How are you today? I'm very happy to be with you today. So today is Wednesday. We are going to study math. Okay, so our lesson today is about occupation and how to tell time. Do you have clock at home? Do you have watch? Do you know how to tell time? Okay, today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to tell time, and of course I want to introduce to you some of the occupation. Occupation means it is the job or work of your father or your mother or your uncle, your grandfather, your big sisters, like that. Okay, so please listen very well so that you can follow the lesson, and of course at least you understand how to tell a time, and you have to learn how to tell time. Okay, are you ready? Here you go. So first I'm going to introduce to you different occupations. During your K2A or K2B, your teacher introduces to you different kinds of occupations already. Okay, these are the work or job. For example, what's your father's work? Is he a policeman? Is he a doctor? Is he an officer? Is he a firefighter? Like that, okay? So these are some of the occupations. Doctor. I know what is a doctor. So doctor works in the hospital. Doctor. Nurse. Nurse is also working at the hospital. Okay, the doctor and the nurse working together. Laborer. Laborer means it is a person who is working in the construction area, like they are making houses, they are hauling sand, they are hauling rock or stones to make a house. They are laborer. Seller are the people who are selling in the market, at the superstore or the shoe store, or along the road. You can see sellers along the road. Okay. Teacher. I am a teacher. Okay, you have your English teacher, you have your Khmer teacher. Policeman. What is a policeman? Do you know what is policeman? You can find policeman along the street, the traffic area, at the police station. Okay, so policeman. Firefighter. Firefighter is the one who stop fire. Okay, firefighter. Engineer who is this person is designing a house, or he is making plan for a building or a big house, like that. Dentist is the one who care of your tooth. Okay, so they are checking your teeth if it's okay or it is healthy. So you have to visit your dentist, or you should have your monthly dental to check your teeth. Okay, driver. So we have driver like taxi driver, tuk-tuk driver, or grab driver. Okay, and other more. There are still a lot of occupations that I didn't stated here. Okay, so again, these are some of the occupations: doctor, nurse, laborer, sailor, teacher, policeman, firefighter, engineer, dentist, driver. Okay, so these are occupation. Alright, I want to introduce to you a clock. Clock. What's this? This is a clock. Or you can have watch, the same, okay? Watch and clock, they are the same. Only watch you are wearing in your wrist. Okay, you have your wristwatch, but clock, you can find clock on the table or on the wall. Okay, clock. So this is a clock. So I will teach you how to tell time. Okay, so if you have a clock, you can see your clock. So you can see numbers of a clock, 1 until 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you can see here that 12 is here opposite with number 6. Okay, so 12 and 6 are opposite, and also 9 and 3, they are opposite also. Okay, so they should be arranged like this. Okay, alright, so they should be at the same place. Okay, so you can see also the shorthand. This is a shorthand. Okay, small or short arrow, but in clock we can say shorthand, and this is a long hand. All right, so this shorthand can show numbers 1 to 12, and it goes around again. Okay, goes around the clock from 1 until 12, or 12 hours, or 24 hours. You can stop, you cannot stop the clock. Okay, it's always running. Okay, so if you see this one, this is a short hand, and this is a long hand. Alright, so short hand, it shows the exact time. Okay, exact time. Alright, so this is the exact time, and this alright, and also this one. Okay, the long arrow. For example, here you can see this is a shorthand. This is a shorthand. Okay, here until here shorthand. The small arrow showing number 6, and the long hands showing number 12. So this is exact time. Okay, if the long hand shows number 12, this is exact time. This is exact time. Okay, for example, this one is already 6, so always put 0 and 0, because this is exact time. If the short or long hand pointed number 12, always remember, if long hand pointed number 12, it is exact time. Okay, put 0. For example, the short hand shows 6, you will write number 6. Okay, so this is 6 o'clock. Alright, so I will give you some exercises here. Okay, so look at the board again. So I have 5 clocks here for you to practice. Okay, so first you're going to see is the shorthand. Shorthand shows number 3. This is shorthand, is pointed number 3, so, and pointed 12. This is exact time. So I put already the 2 zeros here, and just write number 3. Okay, small hand pointed number 3. So you're going to write number 3. Okay, so the time is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Everybody say 3 o'clock. Okay, so this is 3 o'clock. About number 2, about this one, what time is it? Look at the shorthand. It is pointing number 9, and the long hand pointed number 12. So this is also exact time. So what time is it? It is the shorthand follow the shorthand. Okay, the shorthand pointed number 9. So it is 9 o'clock. Okay, 9 o'clock. Alright, so this is 9 o'clock. You understand? Okay, number 3. What time is it? Look at the long hand. So the long hand pointed 12, and the short hand pointed 8. So you will follow the short hand. Okay? So the short hand pointed 8. So it is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Alright? And here, what time is it? Okay, look at the long hand. It pointed 12. This is exact time, 00. and the short hands pointing number 11. Okay, so you're going to write 11. So what time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Okay, about this one, what time is this? Okay, so you see the long hand pointing number 12, so you put 0, 0. And the short hand pointing number 4, so you're going to write 4. So what time is it? It is 4 o'clock. Okay, so do you understand? Okay, again, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. Okay, so I'm going to give you one activity before I'm going to give you your task. Okay, so for you to review in your notebook, okay, in your notebook you're going to draw clock. Okay, so you're going to draw clock. Okay, I want you to draw this one. Alright, you're going to draw big circle in your notebook, and you're going to write 1 until 12. Okay, first you're going to write number 12 at the top. Okay, but it is in the middle. Okay, you write number 12 opposite number 6. Then you write number 3 opposite number 9. Okay, then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so please copy this in your notebook. I want to see big clock in your notebook, and please write the number properly. Okay, it should be arranged this way. Do you understand? So I will give you at least 7 minutes to draw a big clock in your notebook, and after that please send it to me and I will check if it's correct or wrong. Okay, so after 7 minutes I will check your notebook. Okay kids, thank you. Most of you knows how to draw and make a perfect clock. Okay, so some of you still need to improve your clock. Okay, and now I'm going to introduce to you your task number 1, 2, and number 3. Alright, so at page 42 of your book here, you're going to write the time. Okay, you see the time here? So you're going to write the time inside a box. Okay, so what time is it? You're going to write, for example, number 1, what time is it? The shorthand pointed number 8, so it is 8 o'clock. Okay, then number 2, what time is it? You write inside the box. Number 3, what time is it? You write here. And number 4, you're going to write the time inside the box here. Okay? Alright. Task number 2, at page 43. Okay? Match the pictures with the clock. Okay, so first thing that you will do is you're going to write the time here. Okay? So what time is it? You write here. 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 And number 1. Okay, so this is number 1. You're going to think, what time do you get up in the morning? Okay, what time do you get up in the morning? What time do you eat your breakfast? What time mommy goes to work? What time mommy eat lunch? Okay, so I wrote some sentences here from 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So just find the time and try to match. Okay? Number 1, it's time to get up. It's 6 o'clock. Okay, you get up at 6 o'clock. You're going to find where is the 6 o'clock here. You're going to draw a line. Okay, for example, here is 6 o'clock. Alright, you're going to draw a line from 6 o'clock. Okay, so here, it's time to get up, so I get up at 6 o'clock. And number 2, do it by yourself. It's time to eat breakfast. What time is it? What time do you eat your breakfast? Number 2. 1, 2. What time do you eat your breakfast? I eat my breakfast at 7. So you're going to find where is 7. And please draw a line. Okay? Then number 3. It's time to check or work at the hospital. What time mommy goes to work? Mommy goes to work at 8 o'clock. Okay, so mommy goes to work at 8 o'clock. And number 4, it's time to eat lunch. You see, number 4, they are eating lunch. What time does mommy eat lunch? Mommy eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Try to find where is 1 o'clock, then you're going to draw a line. Okay? You refer this one and here so that you can find the exact time. Understand? And lastly, at page, okay, you're not going to do this because it's not easy for you to do it, okay? So I want you to do this, number 45, okay? Number 45. If you still have time, I'm going to explain to you this one, but I think it's not easy for you to understand. So I will let you answer this one first. It is very easy. Okay? You're going to draw the hands and write them. Okay? Draw the hands and write them here. Okay? There is no time here, but you have to copy here. Okay? Draw the hands and write the time. Number 1, will you draw the hand and show 6 o'clock? Okay, number 1, 6 o'clock. Number 2 is 9 o'clock. Number 3 is 3 o'clock. Number 4 is 10 o'clock. And number 5 is 11 o'clock. And number 6 is 2 o'clock. Okay, you're going to show me where is 6 o'clock. Where is 9 o'clock? Where is 3 o'clock? Where is 10 o'clock? And where is 11 o'clock? And where is 2 o'clock? Okay? Draw short hand and long hand according to the number or according to the time that I wrote here. Okay? So please do it by yourself so that you know how to tell a time. I will give you 15 minutes to finish your activities, and after that, you're going to send to me and I'll give you your score. Okay? Okay, kids? Alright, so please listen carefully. Listen very well so that you will understand your homework. Okay, here is your homework. At page 44, you're going to number the pictures in the right order, okay? So look at this, this is a sequencing events. Okay, you write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so which is number 1, okay? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay? So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the clock. Which is goes first? It is 8 o'clock, 7. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Write 1 to 6. And number 2, you're going to read page 46. Okay? Read page 46 and look at the clocks. Look at the clock. So you're going to write the time. Look at the clock. For example, here is 6 o'clock. You're going to write 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. But you need to read also the paragraph here. Okay? So we will be helping each other to read this tomorrow. Alright? So thank you for your listening and thank you for your cooperation. Please read your book so that you will master your reading. Okay? Thank you, kids. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.